It's often said you won't get great results with your router using a dull or dirty router bit. And that's why I'm excited to show you the new Rockler Router Bit Maintenance Kit. It includes all the tools that you need to keep your bits sharp, clean, and ready. Let's get into it. Everything fits on this storage base, and each tool of the included tools has its own storage place. So everything you need is kept together and ready to grab when you need it. That means you won't be digging through any drawers or searching for any small tools. All the tools you need are included right here, and I'm going to demonstrate how they work together. First, there's this reservoir container. It holds up to 10.5 ounces of cleaning solution and acts as the soaking bath for your bits. The underside of the lid also features 5 holes for holding bits with 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 8mm router bit shanks. The reservoir can accommodate bits up to 3¼ inches in diameter. The translucent container makes it easy to see the bits inside, and the brass brush and diamond hone are stored right on the bottom. The folding brass wire brush is perfect for scrubbing off pitch and resin that are stuck to the bit. The two-sided diamond hone features 300 grit on one side and 600 grit on the other. Next, there's the collet handle, or as we like to call it, the bit grip. It's designed to safely and securely hold your router bits while you're honing the edges or changing bearings. The bit grip includes 4 collets to hold router bits with 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 8mm shanks. It can be held by hand or in a vise, as well as clicked into the base. And finally, the kit includes 3 hex wrenches for removing bearings. Now, let's walk through a typical bit cleaning routine with this kit. First, I pour enough cleaning solution for the bits to soak in. Next, I insert my bits into the shank holes in the lid. Next, I remove any bearings that are on the bits. Then I flip over the lid and screw it onto the reservoir so that the bits are submerged in the cleaning solution. After letting the bits soak for a while in the solution, I remove the lid and let the excess drip back into the reservoir. Then flip the bits and tighten the lid back on the reservoir. Next, I install the appropriate collet in the bit grip. I like to clamp the bit grip in my bench vise. Then I install the first bit in the collet and tighten it with the lock nut. I use the brass brush to clean the pitch and the resin off the bit. Now that the bit is clean and ready to go back into service, unless you want to take a moment and touch up the cutter edges. In that case, I'm going to leave it right here in the bit grip. Take out the diamond hone, hold the 300 grit face flat against one of the flat faces of the cutter. Move the hone back and forth, keeping it flat against the cutter face. Repeat this process for the other cutters. Use the same number of strokes for each cutter. Then repeat this process with the 600 grit face. Finally, I reinstall the guide bearing to the bit. Now remove the bit from the bit grip and move on to the next bit. It only takes a few minutes per bit. Once I'm done, I empty the reservoir, wipe down the rest of the kit, and put it away until I need to clean more bits. That covers it. The Router Bit Maintenance Kit is easy to use and stores together as a complete kit, so it's always ready to go.